Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Flight 395E.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for taking the flight today.
Good morning, Benny.
While we're preparing for takeoff, please put all your luggage either under the front of the seat or in the storage lockers above. And also, please read the information card. The emergency exits are 2 at the front, 2 at the rear. In the event of a water landing, a rubber duck will appear from under your seat. And please use the emergency exits and follow the lights. Thank you and enjoy the flight.
Walks through a cloud of vape.
We're back at the track for day 5. We're here at Virginia Motorsports Park. Unfortunately, the weather's not quite what we were hoping for. Got a bit of a on and off drizzly type sprinkly situation. The track staff are already drying the track. They're doing their absolute best to get us out as quickly as possible. I've already spoke to the event director this morning. They guarantee we're going to do passes today. They've actually bought out the event that was supposed to be on tonight. So they've actually cancelled the Friday night test and tune. So we may be racing late this evening or even tonight. But they're 100% going to run the event and finish it tonight. We've set up all of our stuff just to the right of us. Got shirts and bits and pieces to try and help cover our gas money. We've had heaps of fans come up over the week, so I do want to say a good thank you to all the fans that have bought shirts this week. It's literally paid our gas bill. So unfortunately, the race fuel here, the Race 85 here is pretty overpriced. But we're making the most of it, and everyone that's bought a shirt, they've literally helped pay our gas bill this week. So thanks everyone for their contribution and helping us actually finish the event. So shout out to you guys, and we'll get on the track as soon as we can.
Well, I've got a bit of a slant barrier here because the engine mounts have moved slightly.
Isn't that what they are standard in the...
Yeah, a little bit off centre.
You said you got 2 of these, Alex.
Yeah, I got 2 of them. They're both 84s. That one's pretty much totally stock. It's got a 4-speed out of a Honda ATC 3-wheeler.
Yep.
They're still both on 8-inch wheels.
Yeah.
So.
I love it, man. That thing's really cool.
New PB. That's awesome. 880, and I hit the limit a second to third. It's official. We completed our second drag week. I've also just PB'd in that pass. We've gone 880 at 152. I actually went beside Benny for that pass as well, so that was pretty cool to complete drag week together. It was actually unintentional. We were meaning to stagger the cars, but The guy who was between us actually wanted to race someone else, so then he pulled to the right after Benny pulled to the right, and we got loaded together. Not a massive drama. We were hoping we can get a few laps in today. We're actually already in the staging lanes for our second pass. So yeah, we're pretty over the moon to have completed Drag Week 2019, but it's not over yet. We're gonna have some laps, and then we're gonna have a bit of a tailgate party in the pits, hang out, have some barbecues and some beers, lemon squashes, and it's gonna be good fun.
Hey, 68, 109.
Apparently there was a bit of a boost leak.
Yeah, on the control module, because we upped the boost a little bit just to sort of play and be naughty, but it hadn't built any more boost than 28 pound. So we actually found a loose fitting probably from when we had the motor in and out and all the excitement, and tighten it up now, and fingers crossed it'll build a bit more boost. And got to get in front of Benny at the moment, actually. That's a problem.
So it's day 5 and it's come down to hundredths of a second. Dale's in the white Gremlin just behind me. We've been bouncing between third and fourth all day, so we've been kind of leapfrogging each other. We just went and watched his last pass. Unfortunately, he's broken out, which has given us third back again. We've both gotten back in the lane, so we're actually going to race each other this time. Potentially that's going to be our last pass of the day, so we thought we're actually only going to get 2 passes, but we've got around quick enough that we can get back in the lanes, and we're going to go again. So fingers crossed that we go even closer to 850 without breaking out. So we'll see how we do. So Dale just went 8:79. I don't even know what time we ran, but the time that we ran previous to that was at 8:61, so we've got our spot back. So we've finished third for Drag Week 2019 in the modified power adder class. It's been a fantastic journey, and we've definitely had a battle to get here this year, but we're over the moon. I couldn't be happier right now. It's a pretty massive achievement to finish in the top 3 of any class at Drag Week. Modified power adder is a very hard class for us to actually be competitive in, because the car's only tacked to 850, and it's a pretty much an open time frame class. So you can run like I think the cutoff's 750 for our class. So you can go a lot quicker than this car's capable of, but we've managed to take the third. So yeah, shout out to everyone else in the class. It's been massively competitive and fantastic day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that pass, then we went 864 with a 12760. Hit the limiter again in the shift. just a little bit of nerves, but it was enough to get us there. So we're going to submit that previous pass. That was also our PB for drag week, so pretty over the moon to get a PB in the 860s, and also to finish third in modified Parramatta. It's been a battle and it's been fantastic. So shout out to everyone in the class, and shout out to Dale for the run. It's been a pleasure, and the last sort of 2 hours we've been back and forth, and it's been awesome fun. So yeah, thanks to everyone for a fantastic week. Thanks guys. Thank you. Did it. Third, locked in. That was awesome. That's the most fun I've had in a long time. So Dale and his family, they're pretty cool people. We've been battling on the line all day. So it's been, today's actually been the highlight of drag week for me, because we've kind of not had the banter and the muck around and the sort of the race aspect of it. So today was a little bit different, and something I'll remember and treasure for a long time. So thanks to those guys for being really good sports and having the rivalry there. So it was awesome fun, and luckily for us, we actually came out on top. So Dale told me that he ran out of nitrous at 1,000 foot, and the thing rolled over. So if he'd had enough spray, we probably would have been in trouble there. So just hot lapping the cars both all day. We were pretty low on fuel, and as it turns out, he was out of nitrous. So luckily we got there just in the end. But yeah, shout out to those guys. It's been fantastic.
Does that mean you take home a plastic trophy now?
We're going to get a plastic trophy. It might have cost me 50 grand, but we got one.
Anyway, it fucking doesn't matter.
I beat you.
No.
I did. I beat you.
Here.
Yeah, we both won in here. Hey, you did it.
Yeah,
You did drag week. We finally got there. Cheers, bro. Hey?
It's quite warm, but it's a beer nonetheless.
Good job. Thanks, bro. Thanks for the help.
You don't drink beer.
It's Pepsi.
Explain drag week in 30 seconds.
Drag week is a f***ing hassle. You leave the track late. All you see is dark. You never see America for what it is. It's total junk. Don't ever come here. It sucks. Okay? Is that 30 seconds or do I need to go on?
Tate,
Don't ask me.
explain drag week in 30 seconds.
Hectic, crazy, and I didn't even do it. I just followed. Man, this stuff is mental. Stupid cars, very fast cars, and a great bunch of guys.
I don't even know, man. It's just been awesome. The cars here are amazing, and then you realise that they drive them on the street. That's the biggest thing. So I've just had an awesome time.
A fat time.
A fat time?
That's it, done.
Yeah.
With a big horse.
The dominatrix of drag racing. It hurts, but you keep doing it. And then in the end, you'll probably do it again.
Skinny Muzz Vape King.
Yes.
Explain drag week in 30 seconds.
It's something that can only exist in America.
Yep.
A bunch of absolute lunatics driving around 1,100 kilometres in full drag cars on the streets. It's crazy. It's the best thing I've ever seen.
I can't do PG rated, bud. Drag week is a very nice time with lots of nice people, and it's fun.
You know, we had a good time.
It was enjoyable. We had water.
We had a lot of water.
We got plenty of sleep.
We did get some good rest. Some good feeds in there.
Some good feeds.
Yeah, it was nice.
It was good. The car ran well.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
My face feels funny.
Frustrating, tiring, fantastic.
Now we just need the drag challenge survival sticker. Can't wait for the critique in the comments about putting the sticker on wrong. Can't wait to read them all.
It was really cool to finally have a car actually in it rather than last year when we just watched. So yeah, it was really cool, and both cars went really well, and we got to the end and it was sick.
I gave all I could give, and at times I was ready to give up. I had awesome guys like Sebastian. Come here, Sebastian. I've had good mates to start with. We've become better mates, and we'll continue to be better mates after this.
It hurts, but it's worth it.
Is that all you're going to say?
Yeah.
It's hot one moment, it's wet the next moment. Like, it's just an endurance test. To wrap it up with Tom Bailey's 5.99 was awesome. And you make new friends.
Make new friends. The Swedes. They're crazy. Did I enjoy it? Yes. Was it hard? A lot harder than I thought.
As a car enthusiast, to be surrounded by all these epic cars and all these epic people, and to see all these Aussies come together as one is just epic. Like Robbie helping us rebuild the engine in the Mustang, the guys from HED, Biggins, everyone involved. There's so many people to thank. It's crazy. It's just like such a good event.
Good times for the fellas.
And wieners on the barbie. ACC's back again.
Plenty of wieners on the barbie.
That was the best drag week day I've had. 3 years now. To have Tom finish like that was just exceptional. So we're stoked. Everyone's happy. What a great day of racing.
There is some carnage, there is some good times, there is some bad times, but we all made it. Everybody here in the stands made it, and they're all legends because they race their cars every day and then they put them on a 200-mile road trip.
Hey, Freiberger, I've listened to you all weekend.
You have listened to me for 10 hours today.
Give me a wrap-up of Drag Week in 30 seconds.
Drag Week in 30 seconds, Tom Bailey, 5.99 with an 8 at 250 miles an hour. End of story.
I need to sleep bad. I'm not going to, because how often do you get to win Drag Week? We party.
15th anniversary of Drag Week. If you're unaware, I actually created this thing as the editor of Hot Rod Magazine in 2005, and I cannot believe what it has become, and that is 100% because the behavior of all of you. In some cases, bad behavior. So let's hear a hand for yourself.
Go Australia!
That car third place, Ben Neal.
Thanks, mate. Appreciate it. Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Yeah, Benny.
Damn, buddy. Appreciate it, mate. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Literally the slowest drag week car in the history of America. There you go.
We did it. We got a 30 modified power adder. We had a little bit of a moment there. We thought we weren't getting anything because they mucked up the award ceremony, but full credit to them, they sorted it out and we took out third, so it was a bit of a battle. We were jumping spots with Dale all day, so we ended up doing 3 passes each, and the final pass we actually raced each other, and I actually submitted the time from the previous pass because we went slightly quicker, so it made the average for the week better. It didn't affect my third standing would have gone with either time slip, but yeah, we put the quicker of the two in just to sort of cement it and lock it in. So
what happens from here? Is Drag Week over or not?
Drag Week's over.
But we're not over yet.
We're not over yet.